All right, guys, Shakeology's newest flavor is here. It is cookies and creamy. So today we are gonna make some Shakeology cookie bites. Let's get started. I'm gonna start with 2 packs of the Shakeology cookies and creamy. You guys, I've made these once already. They are so good. You don't even have to bake them. Next, we've got some rolled oats, maple syrup. You guys have a trick for your measuring cup. If you spray it with a little coconut oil, it all comes out very easy. So we've got 1/2 cup of nut butter. I use sun butter. You could use peanut butter or almond butter, whichever you prefer. Last but not least, we've got some chocolate chips. We're gonna mix it all up and roll them into our cookie dough bites. And there we have it, you guys. Quick and easy cookies and creamy Shakeology bites. So good.